So when we add shading with darker color, and we also add light, and we're doing the same thing with color here. We're adding shading, which is darker red, and we're adding light with white. And then try to blend those colors as much as you can. So now that my brush is with color pink, the same color, I'm going on the other side here. I'm doing this pink as well. Now, when I do this pink color, I'm not going to cover everything with that pink color, because actually we're going to change the color a little bit later on. So I'm leaving some of them white. Or I would say a part of it white. And then on this flower, just a little bit of white, blending it with the pink that we did earlier. The next color that we're going to work with, it's going to be purple. So if you already have purple prepared or ready-made, you can use that. If not, to make purple, I always mix blue, red, and white. So blue, red, and white to make the color purple. I'm going to go a little bit down here as well. And once I make this color purple, I'm going to add a little bit of blue. Blue in one side and in the side of the shade where the shading is. And a bit of pink. And then with color purple, I'm going to do the tiny little buds, flower buds right here. So mixing purple and pink actually to make this a bit soft. So soft purple. With color purple, we're going to go down here. So doing both sides, but I'm leaving a little bit of white space in there because we're going to put another color. And then purple here as well. And then on this one here, I'm going to put a bit of blue. So the reason why I leave those empty spaces is because when I put the second color, it's more visible. You can see the blue shade in there. and just a little bit of blue here at the end.